dreams. This realm is created by a great team.
Aboriginal culture is a crazy adventure. From the dream time to the present, we are all together. Nature is our mother and the ocean is our brother. Parents provide us with unconditional cover. Nature is fun to play in, and it's something I will always stay in.
We're the dream team you wished for long ago, because of the way we have the flow.
Going fishing, I need some bait. Catch a big fish and cook it on a hot plate. We belong from our tribe from long ago. Dungutty Bundjalung and the seeds we sow. Family is love, family's connection, brought together by a natural selection. From the stars to the sea,
We remember our culture,
using stories and painting.
a lot of our culture.
From the stars to the sea,
We remember our culture,
using stories and painting.
a lot of our culture.
Some from the north, some from the south, and our language is powered by word of mouth. Families are like we belong together. In our hearts we'll all live forever.
Some families are big, some families are small. We can make it through anything, we'll never fall. Lessons taught from days gone by, the most important is to never lie.
We were made from Mother Nature to get our reason from our Creator. We come together in one nation, united in collaboration.
We love spending time with family and friends, playing games and laughing till the end. We get our strength from the ground and the earth, banding together to make this work.
From the stars to the sea,
We remember our culture,
using stories and painting.
a lot of our culture.
From the stars to the sea,
We remember our culture,
using stories and painting.
a lot of our culture.
The earth gives us power to live and shine, given a chance and we'll be fine. Animals are a part of our culture. We'll remember what the elders told y'all. The sky's giving us that clouds don't rain. The trees give us oxygen for our brain.
This land is what we claim. In Australia, our culture ignites our flame.
Keeping them safe is our main goal. Plant more trees for the kids and the old.
This is the only life we get. Use it while it lasts with the family net.
Wish tucker was our food back in the day. We should share our food, that's the way.
We come together to dance our flame stories around the fire that makes our history. From the stars to